Hi guys, welcome back to our new session of the Salesforce. And this session I will explain you about the main components or features available inside the Salesforce. So basically when we are working with the Salesforce account, there are several features or components are available to use it for our vendor management, marketing campaigns. So Salesforce is basically an account required for MNC organization to manage their stuffs in terms of finance, operation, or in terms of client management. You can also store your account detail of your client, use cases, their invoices, and you can create the dashboard as well. So in terms of marketing perspective, you can create a campaign. So just like if you want to organize an event and that event includes some charges, just like the place charges, the asset charges, or several other components are also available. So that time you can create an campaign for marketing perspective. So your events will take care of by using Salesforce account, and at the time of audit you can use this data for audit perspective as well. So for complete understanding, please be available from start to end of this tutorial so that you are able to understand what all components are available inside the Salesforce. If you are new to this channel, consider subscribing and pressing bell icon for more updates. Here we begin with the actual contents. So after login, you are able to see this screen is available. So just go to here on 9 tabs. You are able to see different applications are available. It's totally dependent on your login credential. If you are logged in with the administrator login, you're able to see all the components in one shot, or you can manage this component according to your login credential. So there are services. When you click on this, you're able to see this screen is available, which contains chatter. Chatter is nothing but an email section or poll creation or question and answer creation detail component is available here. Once you click on the home, you can see your complete dashboard on quarterly performance, or you can change it according to your requirement. If you did any events, that event data is available here, or whatever you have scheduled, that is. If you have created any task, that is also available on today's task. So if you have recently done any changes inside your account, that component you can see it here. Then there is the account. Account is nothing but your client information. If you have created any special cases like project or with your client details, or if your project is on, you have stored that detail in depth. So you can create it account at any point of time. For creating an account, just click on the new and you're able to see the screen is available. So I'm not going to cover here. In the further session, I've definitely covered how to create an account in Salesforce. So the detail is available inside this. You can also apply the filter for checking if you are having multiple account or more than 100 or thousands of account available in your login credential. Contact. If you want to manage your contact, you can also do that by adding into this. If you want to add anything here, you can add it inside your contact details. Add to campaign. If you want to add to campaign, you can do that. If you want to send the complete list of contact details, so any email ID, just like top management, you can also do that by clicking on this. It will ask for your email ID, on which email ID you want to send the detail. Enter the email ID, person name, and the email. All the contacts list will be sent, or you can also select if you want to send some of the contacts list according to the requirement. Here there is a cases are also available. Whatever cases you have recently visited or performed any action, you can also see that. If you want to change any status, that is also possible to change it from here. At the end, if you want to create any new cases, that is also click on this and you can create it. For reporting perspective, there are the different types of reports are available inside the services. So if you want to create any specific report for operation team, you can create it and modify according to your requirement. So if you click on the created by me, you can see whatever reports are created by you only is available in this section. If you have created any private reports, that is also possible to see it in this section. Otherwise, you can also maintain your favorite list and create inside the folder. Dashboard section will provide you complete dashboard detail. If you want to create your dashboard according to your requirement for further use or future use, that is also possible to create it and check it at any point of time whenever it is required. For creating any new dashboard, you can click on this new dashboard tab and the page will appear. In this page, you have to configure the complete set of details. So once you will configure this, you are able to see all the components are listed inside the dashboard. Let's move to the next section, that is marketing. So marketing is also having same components like chatter, campaigns, but there is a lead section is additionally available. So if you want to generate any lead and mark it to Salesforce, you can include the detail and use it for the future perspective. I've already created some of the leads. Let me show you. You can see all the leads details are available. You can also add new cases, new node or submit for the approval. You can apply the filter, work in contacted, closed, not converted, or something is converted. Just like if you have reached lead but it is not converted or still in the process, so it will filter out the component according to your data available inside your login credential. So if some of the details are open, not contacted, so that will, you can see here details, you can check it from here. Chatter, if any mail communication or any notification is received, you can check it from the here. And new section will show you the complete detail of that in detail. Email, if you have added any email, you can see here the email. Company name, you can see it here, and the phone number, whatever phone number you have included, you are able to see the phone number as well. So this is all about the leads. Contacts, you can also store the contacts if any opportunities are available for view. So let me show you here. The different opportunities are available like qualification, need analysis, value process, ID decision, perception, proposal and negotiation. So these all components are available inside the opportunities. So if you have generated any report for sharing with the client or vendor, you can extract it and send it directly to the vendor. At the end, if you want to create any new report, that is also possible to create the report and save it to any specific folder by clicking on new folder. Several other options are also available like recent column weights or select fields to display for customizing your reports. As like we have seen in the services section, there are different options are available for your reports created by you, private reports, public reports and all reports. In addition to this, you can move it according to your vendor. So just like if you are working with several vendors like 5 to 10 vendors, you can add specific folder for specific vendor or for one folder for each vendor or each client, so that it will be easy for you to manage all the stuffs in that folder for that vendor. There is a dashboard is also available. You can create your dashboard according to your requirement. For creating, same options are available just like ServiceNow. There is several other options are also available just like Contain, Sales Console, Services Console and Salesforce Chatter. You can have a look on this. Sales chatter will contain chatter, people, groups and files information if you have stored any files that is available. Apart from that, two more options are also available which contain almost same type of data. It's totally dependent on requirement how much data you want to use it and configure it and save it for your project perspective. So sales console, if you have created any specific type of console or screen, you can see it here, and whatever sales volumes you have sold or leads or account details are available, you can have a look on this main page. There are several other options are also available, just like to global actions, or if you want to check your settings, there is a developer console and service setup is available. You can change it the preference according to your requirement. If you receive any notification or email, you can see it new notification or email from the sections, and this will provide you your login detail or your developer instance name. So this is all about the components or services available inside your login credential of Salesforce. Hope you understand it. Let's have a look, or let's recap the actual content. We have started after login. We have started with services. Inside the services, we had a look on different components like their contacts, then opportunities, and different other components like chatter, cases, reports, and dashboards. Then we move to marketing console. In marketing console, we had a look on again chatter, leads, opportunities, reports and dashboard. And in the campaign, we have seen here, if we want to create any campaign, we can create it according to specific to the project for marketing perspective. Then we move to sales console. In sales console, there the reports are generated, and Salesforce chatter will give you the complete chatter detail in for your organization login. And here we have seen that the settings which is available for the developer console and service setup, and at the end we had a look on our login credentials like our Salesforce account. Then if you want to add any username, you can add it, and there is a logout section available here. So this is all about the several components available inside our Salesforce login. Hope you understand it. If you have any queries or comment, please comment in the comment section so that I will check and revert with the resolution. And most important part, don't forget to like and subscribe the channel for the latest update. Thank you.